happy as a mayor. I'm pleading with you. If we can add the straight road, the straight roads.
Where I said it's damn the ways.
So you talk to your bosses, we can add the area will be solid as one.
Yesterday, the people, local community people request to me. I get the permission for that. So now I'm also telling some I'm going to ask them. He's the one who gets all funds. So yesterday I asked him to have some funds. You can get approval, then you can do.
I'll try my best to get approval. It's good that Excellency John Dramani Mahama with the big push here. We are going to fix all the roads.
All right.
And well, from next week, where youth, what free police, fire service, we are going to do more. 4 years, but we are accountable. What target is here? Over 1,000 your constituency. One to work quick. 24-hour market. Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Kefan Seba Omo, the coordinating director. I want to catch you. Allow me, Malik. So, if I locate. No free na 24-hour market. What plan G? We have some here in this area. Ne evacuate the Chumuahame. Ona. Oh, yesterday I have Excellency John Dramani Mahama. John Dramani Mahama. If all governments, if every government stick to its promise, it's two things. She knew about Thomas Craig, Methodist school. In the years that we can be a class. In Accra, I'm a shipon fan. I'm a class from what's the John Dramani Mahama. All the by oh, one fight. No fear, no need. Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Oh,
American yetema. Nigabo ya.